Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I believe this is a brand new release from Spyderco. I don't mean like it's the first time anybody's ever seen it, but I think for this year, unless I'm mistaken, this is a brand new Spyderco, which is rare to see, especially on this channel. Oftentimes it's, some sort of different variation of a model that they have already released, or to be honest, it's just something that's completely and totally uninteresting. But I thought this looked pretty cool. Wanted to handle it. E-Knives sent it to me for, to share with you guys, is the sentence I was about to say. Thank you so much to E-Knives for loaning this knife to me so that I can share it with my viewers. I'll link it down in the description at E-Knives. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. So what is this knife called? It's called the Slym GYT M390PE. Italy made. It's, to my knowledge, this is lion steel. So this is the Slym. It's about exactly the size that I assumed it would be. This is a full titanium knife, and I'm going to say a rare Spyderco flipper. That's typically not something that we see. Oh, it has the TRE flipper tab there. We'll talk about that here in just a second. Just kind of a typical spoon. Hold on a second. Is this an integral? No, it isn't. What? Whoa, yeah. I did not know that this was an integral. Oh, God. I don't want to call it an integral if it's not an integral. It just doesn't make sense. The price tag is is substantially lower than I would have expected. I mean, it's, the Italian lion steel integrals, admittedly, people will use those and reference them whenever I give my, sort of my own personal price guide when it comes to integrals. And they say lion steel does it for this. And you guys are right. Lion steel does make a good integral for less than what I typically expect. It's pretty impressive. I would not have expected Lion Steel and Spyderco, who's been pricing their stuff pretty high, right? Like their own Spyderco Shaman that is just G10 and made in the USA is priced very close to the same as this. Okay, apparently this is an integral Spyderco titanium flipper. Good Lord. This just became substantially more interesting. Oh, and the Detent Lion Steel. Lion Steel! Look at you guys. Maybe it's just been a long time, but I remember Lion Steel's Detent feeling a lot like a wet beanbag chair falling out of the back of a dump truck on a rainy day. And if you've ever handled Lion Steel knives from, say, 3, 4, 5 years ago, your definition would probably be pretty similar. This has a detent, though. Oh, that feels pretty good. Now, did you commit the sin? No, not really. You did give us access to the hole, giggity. But this is pretty cool. I like this way more than I thought I was going to. Okay, there's just a lot going on here to take in. Number one, Spyderco flipper. Don't have a lot of those. They exist. We don't have a lot of them. Number two, titanium flipper from Lion Steel that actually has a detent. We just don't see it, right? Number three, it's a freaking integral. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't love the pocket clip, but okay. So what's the deal with the flipper tab? You can remove it. It's completely detachable. So if you don't want the flipper tab there and you just want to treat it like a Slym, this is a pretty cool little. I'm gonna remove that flipper tab real quick just so I can show you guys. But it's kind of like just a fancy little office carry, or just a nice. I hate to use this term. I hate it. I've tried to stop using the term gentleman's EDC because I think it's just, I don't know. I think there's onion layers of cringe to that. You know, that kind of is the category that it falls into visually for me. Okay, so I'm going to guess this is a T6. Okay, there we go, and it is actually a T6. Just wanted to clarify that. Had to make sure that I could get it to fit. Just edited that out so that you didn't have to sit there and listen to silence. So this can be completely removed, making it a little more Spyderco-y. So now we have an integral, you know, fully operational Spidey hole integral M390 titanium integral. Did I say any of those words twice? Probably. This is like an Arctic fat carbon. The whole thing is just really cool. I wish that they had given us a Slym inlay on the other side. You tell me if you agree with me or not. A Slym inlay of the same material on the other side would have been nice, but you know, it's even got the crowned spine. The most impressive part of this, I'm still looking for that seam. I'm still kind of in disbelief here, guys. But, I mean, it would explain why there's no body screws. People probably screaming that the whole time. I'm in disbelief because the price tag is $280. That is far less. Now, you know, it's not a huge knife, but it's not a small knife either. Like, it's less material than, you know, a full-size integral. It's probably, you know, 40% less material than your standard full-size integral. It's also flat. It's not contoured, right? So we're saving a little money there. But they've got inlays on here, and it's not like Italian manufacturing is the cheapest on earth. It's certainly cheaper than U.S. manufacturing. If you were to try to make this in the United States, it would cost substantially more money. But it's not, you know, it's not the cheapest. The overall length of this guy, I'm going to guess, is 7.5 to 7.75. Yeah, it's 7 3/4 inches. So it is close to a full-size knife. 3.5-inch blade and 3.3 inches of cutting edge. Man, I like it. I like it. Do we have a screw here for the stop pin? It's maybe, I wonder why that's like, well, okay, so it's like nested in there, or maybe you unscrew this and it pulls the whole thing out, maybe. Yeah, kind of a trivial thing to get hung up on there. But I had no idea. I thought I was going to be judging. I thought the highlight of this knife would be that it was a flipper Spyderco. And I was, you know, prepared to say that price tag is, you know, maybe slightly high, but it's pretty good, right? Especially considering in 2025, like everything is more expensive and just going up and up and up. But this is unreal. I don't remember anything in any of the advertising on, and it's probably there and I just skipped over it and didn't realize. I don't remember anything in the Spyderco website advertising, or I looked on a bunch of different retail sites that had this listed, including e-knives. I don't remember anything specifically saying integral, but that's a big part of it. That I like this. I like this a lot. I think the price on this is excellent. I think the overall execution is excellent. I love that they actually gave us room to use that. It's a smaller Spyderco hole, but they gave you room to use it and enjoy it like a Spyderco. I think it looks good too. I think a lot of people will find this visually more appealing than your standard, you know, dead pelican Para 3. I love the Para 3, but I mean, let's be real. It looks like a dead pelican. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. First impressions video, not a review. I've got a lot more, you know, that I want to explore here before I review it. But you'll get a full-length review on this knife. But first impressions, this is incredible. Really, really cool stuff from Spyderco. Check this out in the descriptions. I will link it. Thanks again to eKnives for loaning it to me. It goes back to eKnives when I'm done. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.